In this video, you'll learn how to rewrite, simplify, expand, or reshape any piece of text in your course without leaving the section it lives in. You've drafted a paragraph. It's almost right. It's a bit long, or it needs an example, or it needs to land at a specific reading level for your audience. In most authoring tools, that means deleting it and starting again, or copying it out to a separate AI tool, rewriting, and pasting it back, losing your formatting on the way. CourseAgent's inline text editor works on the text that's already on the page. Pick a transformation, pick a length, generate, and replace. The course context and your course parameters come along automatically, so what comes back already sounds like the rest of your course. Open any page in the editor and click into a text block, a paragraph, a heading, a list item, a caption, anywhere text lives. The inline text toolbar appears. Click the green sparkle. The content generator dialog opens, preloaded with the text you are editing as the source content. The word count underneath the source is your reference for the transformation you're about to apply. Content transformation, 8 options, each one doing something specific. Rephrase, same meaning, same length, different words. Simplify, lower the reading level. Clarify, keep the structure, sharpen the meaning. Removes ambiguity. Condense, say it in fewer words. Elaborate, expand with additional detail and context. Add examples, keep the original point. Layer in concrete examples that fit your course's geographic focus and audience. Create scenario, turn the passage into a short narrative your learner can picture. Convert to dialogue, restructure as a conversation between two voices. Useful for soft skills, customer service, or compliance topics. Content length, 5 bands, from brief through to extensive. Pick the band that fits the slot the text needs to fill. CourseAgent will land inside that range, not a hard cap, a target. Underneath the transformation controls, the same course parameters block you've seen elsewhere in CourseAgent. Target audience, writing tone, prior knowledge, geographic focus. The AI draws on your course title, course overview, your existing content, and these settings to create content that fits naturally with your course. Click Edit Parameters to nudge any of them for this generation. A tighter audience, a different tone, without leaving the dialogue. The change saves back to the course, so the next generation uses it too. Click Generate Content. 3 options come back, each one a complete rewrite of your source text. Same transformation, same length band, 3 different angles. Read them in place. The card shows the full text, not a truncated preview, so you can judge whether it actually reads better than what you started with. Don't like any of them? Click Regenerate Content for a fresh batch of 3. When you find one that works, click Use this option. The dialog closes and you're back in the section. The new text has replaced the original. Same place, same formatting, same color scheme, same typography. If it's not quite right, edit it, or open the inline text editor again and run a different transformation, any text, any section, any transformation, without leaving the page. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.